In today's video, let me show you the way that you fix the Snapchat storage full problem. If you're facing this issue currently, the first thing that you can immediately do in this case is try to clear the app cache of Snapchat. So what you can do is head over to the profile section, head over to settings, and from this settings menu, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the section which says clear cache under accounts and actions. You can just tap on the clear cache option, tap on continue, and make sure you close the app of Snapchat from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is fixed. With this, what you'll also need to ensure is that if the storage is actually full or if it is just a error message. If your storage is actually full and you have exceeded the 5 GB free limit, then you need to get the Snapchat Plus, or if you don't want to do that, then you need to delete some of your memories that are stored inside of Snapchat. As soon as you do that, you'll free up some space and more space will be available inside of Snapchat, and this issue will be automatically fixed. But however, if your storage is not full and you're still getting this error message, then what you can do is try to uninstall the Snapchat app from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue will be now immediately fixed. I do hope this guide video did help you out in clearing this issue. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.